In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Metatrader 4 for beginners. So the first things first, you need to log into your account, whether it's a demo account or a live account. Click on the area where it says connection and you'll see a login button. Here you'll need to enter in your login ID and the password. Make sure you also choose the server correctly. After you fill in this information, you can simply click on login. You can tell you are logged in after you hear a sound and the charts and the price will start to move. It will also show you the connection status here. If it's your first time opening up MetaTrader, you could see a similar interface. You will see 4 charts. I'll show you how to manage all the charts and properties of the chart settings. This is the area where you can see your trades. If you don't see this, you can simply click on this terminal. If you click on it, it will pop up. On the trades, you will see all your trades, your balance, your equity, and your free margin. All your current trades will be visible here. You can also look at the account history by clicking on account history. That's all you need for the terminal. Now this is the market watch. Here it will show you all the symbols. You can add symbols by right clicking on this area and it will show you an option for symbols. Here you can add cryptocurrencies, forex, commodities, and many more. The golden colored pairs are already added to this section. If you want to add a new pair, simply click on the pair you want to add and then click on show. As the pair shows, the golden color will apply to this pair. Firstly, let's close off all these charts. Select the chart that you want to open. Click on chart window. This is the default chart settings. Now to make your chart settings according to your likings, simply right click on it and then go to properties. Here it will show you all the settings that you can manage. After you make the settings according to your preferences, you can click on OK. Currently, this is a bar chart. If you want to switch to a candlestick chart, you can simply click on candlestick. Here it will show you all the necessary tools that you need to start trading. Here it will show you all the time frames. If you right click on the time frame and head over to customize, it will show you all the time frames that are available. If you want to remove a certain time frame, you can simply click on it and then click on remove. Here it will also show you all the tools that you can add to your charts. If you again right click on this area, it will show you all the things that you can add. Currently these are the things that are added. If you want to remove certain things, you can again select the thing and then click on remove. If you want to add a particular thing, you can again choose it and then click on insert. You can move these according to your likings and place it anywhere you want. Now to create a new order, you can simply click on new order. will show you the volume, the symbol of the chart, and then the type of order. Select the order type, select the numbers, simply click on place order. If you want to save this chart settings, you can simply click on this option, and then there you'll see an option for save template. You can name this template whatever you want. So next time, if you load a new chart, you'll no longer need to manage all the properties. You can simply go here and then select the name that you just gave to the default template.